Welcome to Ethereum Cat Headers meeting number 127. This is issue number 394 on ETH Cat Headers GitHub repository. We have usual items on agenda as network upgrade updates, and we will talk about other protocol application development, followed by event fellowship hackathon, if there are any new initiatives we would like to share, and general updates. But before we get in there, we are joined by a couple of new contributors. So let me give this opportunity for them to maybe introduce themselves to the group. So yeah, Sunny, if you would like to maybe introduce yourself.
Thank you, Pooja. So I'm a new contributor here. I met Pooja 2 weeks ago in Denver. So I'm a product operator at NeMFi. So NeMFi is a project that tokenizes Web2 domains on chain, and we're currently the first one on Ethereum. And our founder is actually an EIP editor, Victor Zhou, who linked me and Pooja together 2 weeks ago in Denver. And I really want to learn about how Ethereum works in a fundamental level, in a protocol level. So that's why I'm here today and trying to learn the very deep basics about Ethereum and how I could contribute better in the future.
Awesome. Thank you for joining us here in the meeting as well as on the Discord. We look forward to work with you, Sunny. I think we have Lawrence, who is also a very new contributor.
Hey guys, I'm Lawrence. I'm a new. Like we tend to at ETH Global, so more or less I'm a product designer. So I've currently been working in the Web3 space for, let's say, for some
I suppose we are
couple of
losing
years.
you.
So I've done a lot of freelance. Told me about the ETH headers and how I can be able to contribute. Rory kind of told me about ETH headers. How I can be able to make contributions. And Ethereum network works on the protocol level. So that's it basically. That's how I got to know about ETH headers, and that's how I've been onboarded, and also had with Pooja.
Thank you, Lawrence. I suppose we missed some bits coming in from your end, but broadly speaking, we got you. Well, Lawrence is going to be documenting the notes for today's meeting. So he's joining as a contributor and we look forward to be working with him. Welcome you both on the team. And with that introduction, I think we can move forward with our regular agenda item. The first one added here is Ethereum network upgrade. So as we know, Ethereum is going to be expecting its second upgrade post-merge, which is called as Dencun, Denup, and Cancun. The upgrade is set for March 13. That means tomorrow. So I request everyone here or listening to the call later on, please update your client/validator nodes. And also check out Ethereum Foundation blog post to find the client version compatible with the Dencun upgrade. I have added link to a couple of dashboards to follow EL and CL clients. They provide very good pictures for what is the current status of readiness. For EL client, people can follow Ethernets, and for CL, there is Metrica. Check out these two dashboards, and this will help you understand our current readiness version. We hope to achieve maximum readiness, and that also provides the list of the client version that you may perhaps want to upgrade your nodes to. I have published a blog post on Dencon yesterday. It's about some fun facts, mainnet live stream details, POAPs, NFT, and what's next on Ethereum network. Added the link in this meeting agenda. Please check it out. And with that, I would also like to encourage people to maybe take a look at Learn to Earn and maybe earn Dencon NFT by attempting to questions over there. Link to the app is added in the agenda. For some reason, the server was not working for a day or two, but I believe it has been updated. And anything more to be added, Josh? Like, I hope it is working fine right now.
Yeah, it works now. So the issue was like with Redis, which deals with the rate limiting. For some reason, the database for that like shut down. So just had to like reboot that, and now it's running again. So Learn to Earn is up. Everybody can play with it. We're all good.
Thank you. And thanks to the user for flagging this on our Discord. So it's back up now. Cat Headers are co-hosting the Dencode community live stream with ETH Stakers and Anthony Sassal from Daily Guai. The live stream will be started at 1300 UTC tomorrow. So make sure to tune in and support us celebrating this event of another upgrade on Ethereum mainnet. We hope to bring some interesting content for you. We would like to talk about general community sentiment about Ethereum upgrade and what they would like to see in the next upgrade. Then there will be a 90-second explainer for each EIP that has been considered for inclusion for the Dencon upgrade. You would be listening directly from the authors of these proposals, so it will be fun. We expect to have some fun facts quiz things coming up with a surprise host. And yeah, many more things to be added. So I hope to see you all on Dencon community live stream. The link has been added to agenda, and it has also been posted on the announcement section of Ethereum Cat Holders Discord. So check it out and be sure to be there. I've added a few more content with respect to Dencon upgrade. So you can check out EIP 7569, which is hard fork meta for Dencon. People new to the community may not be aware of the concept of hard fork meta. So this is a proposal, meta proposal, which contains the list of all EIPs that developers are considering for an upgrade. This hard fork meta was discontinued for quite some time, but with the Dencon upgrade, it is being brought back. So yeah, check out hard fork meta for Dencon. And then for the following upgrade, Prague and Electra, we also have created the hard fork meta for the Osaka upgrade. So yeah, please check them all out. For specs, we have added the repository of EL and CL clients. Check it out on Dencon. Resources list added here. Slightly related to network upgrades, it's about Goerli network. Goerli network has been deprecated. Developers have stopped supporting, although it can be managed by community. But from Ethereum developers end, please prep to move over your testing to Ephemery, Holsky, or Sepolia network. Ephemery are for small validators testing. Holsky, we are expecting it to be here around for long term, and it is for large validator testing. And for Sepolia, we are encouraging the dApp developers to make use of that particular testnet. You can also find information about all these testnets on ethereumcatherders.com/testnet page. Yeah, please check that out. As I mentioned earlier, we do have hard fork meta added for Prague and Electra upgrade. The number is EIP 7600. So you can check out the meta ETH to learn about the proposals which are CFI'd that means considered for inclusion. However, the discussion thread is still open at Fellowship of Ethereum Magician. Both links are added to the agenda. You can also find the list of playlist for Dencon and Prague Electra added here. Check out all those 9 proposals plus some community support discussion, talk with developer and testing team to learn more about these upgrades. I have also added some other resources shared by developers recently. So we are in discussion for Electra upgrade. Electra is an upgrade on the consensus side of Ethereum for the next one right after Dancode. So there are roadmaps being shared by different client team. Here is link added to Electra by Itan. Check them out and share your thoughts on Fellowship of Ethereum Magician page if you would like to consider those proposals here. Any question, comments so far? I think we have almost covered the network upgrade part. Anything did I miss? Anyone would like to add? I hope people are still excited to see this upgrade coming up tomorrow. I would recommend everyone to maybe talk about it and encourage people to upgrade their node. I hope most of them have already done it because it's less than 24 hours. But in case someone has missed it out, please help them out. Moving on to other protocol and application development, we do have MEV community call ongoing. Last week, actually 2 weeks ago, in Denver, we get an opportunity to meet some of the contributors of MEV community call, and they mentioned about coming up with proposals, improvement proposals, which could be useful for the MEV community, and we could be seeing it on EIP GitHub repositories soon. So yeah, I'm looking forward to learn more about MEV and the proposals upcoming. Anyone here or following the call, if you are interested, this call is organized by Alex Stokes. You may follow him on Twitter. Generally, we find most of the information shared on Twitter. We are expecting a roll-up call number 4 tomorrow at 1400 UTC. And I have also added link to the earlier calls for roll-up here. There is a new call started by the team. It's called Ethereum Sequencing and Pre-Conf Call. There are multiple calls ongoing. We are trying to collect information of all of them and be able to add it over here. I would encourage volunteers to maybe add meetings which are not included as of now. However, cat herders are trying to extend their support, and I am personally able to join the EOF implementers meeting, and I'm hoping to support ETH multi-call from the next week. We are already supporting wallet tab meeting, and yeah, there are so many calls ongoing. So if you would like to follow, check out Ethereum/PM issue section to learn about the next upcoming community call and reach out to us how you would want to support that meeting or the calls, maybe with recordings or maybe with facilitating, whatever it is, do let us know. There are multiple breakout rooms happening as well. So I have added the link to the meeting for breakout room, which was there for inclusion list, like which proposal should be included. People can also keep an eye on these proposals and maybe able to share some resources around that. I wonder from this group, like from our Ethereum cat herders group, anybody here would be interested in maybe writing something for the community. It could be any kind of technical writings, any support, or anything that newcomers can make good use of that. Yeah.
Is that going to be specific to ECH or in general for Ethereum community?
It could be something related to Ethereum protocol. I mean, like it can be ELI5 kind of documentation, or maybe how to do kind of article that can help people set up nodes and do things like that. Yeah.
Sure, we'll check it out. Yeah.
Thank you. I hope that we start building this kind of content for community to make use of. And yeah, anyone interested in working in that direction, please reach out to me and I will try to look how we can make that thing possible. Moving on, events, fellowship and hackathon section. Last week, yeah. So last week in, I'm sorry, it's about 2 weeks ago. It seems like it is just fresh. 2 weeks ago in Denver, we got an opportunity to talk about EIPs and how EIPs are helping Ethereum to evolve. I made a talk on evolving Ethereum with improvement proposals at submarine stage. I have added the link here for people to refer to if they have missed the talk there. There were multiple events. One was EIP Day, organized by Fellowship of Ethereum Magician and Namify. Thank you, Sunny and team, for sponsoring the event. That was another great event to interact with EIP authors. We get to learn more about what they are looking for. And this morning, I was in conversation with a group where we are hoping to start something new to collect feedback. I know Fellowship of Ethereum Magician is a very good forum for having this documented contributions, like a documented collection of thoughts and feedbacks, but it would be really good, or I hope it will add value to have something on regular call, just like we do it for EIP editing office hour. If we can have some EIP feedback office hour or session, something like that. Yeah. If you guys have any thoughts, ideas around that, please feel free to reach out to me and we could, yeah, work something out on that. I don't know, Namify, if you have any initiative in mind and yeah, would like to work in that direction, please let us know. We did get a chance to talk to some new fellows of Ethereum Protocol Fellowship, and I was very happy and excited to learn that one of our earlier contributors of Ethereum cat herders are also planning to be one of the fellows. So EPFF has started that study group, 10 weeks study group. That is a pre-session before the next cohort is announced. If you are not a part of that, you can still be. It is an open to community call that happens every Monday. There is dedicated Discord group to coordinate these meetings and share study materials. They also have a website to share the content with respect to current Ethereum protocol. Please check them out. If you want any more information with this, I think we are joined by a couple of contributors of EPF on our Discord server, on Cat Herders Discord server. So please feel free to post your questions there and I'll be happy to tag them. Apart from that, last week we had Women's Day celebration with WIEP, Women in Ethereum Protocol. It was called as Empower and Innovate. This session was in association with Ethereum Foundation and EPF. We are in process of onboarding more women developers to protocol development. We know blockchain ecosystem is quite big, and we do have a lot of contributors on application side, including women. We do have diversity there, but we would like to add diversity on protocol development as well. So the group WIEP hopes to onboard more contributors and make sure to have all resources available to them. We have created a Discord channel in which we are sharing our content like Ethereum related resources as well as job opportunities with client. So if you're listening to this, wanted to be a contributor in Ethereum space, I think WIEP would be a good beginning for you. So yeah, reach out to me or Shaiway or Ladoram Higgins from the Ethereum Foundation, and we would be happy to provide you all information. I have added some of the resources in the YouTube description section of this meeting. So check it out and you will find some content to reach out to us. There is a academic grant by Ethereum Foundation to support research work. The grant has been closed now, but there are wish lists out. If people are interested on any of those wish lists, please reach out. We would try to support in whatever way it is possible. I know from MAV side, Alex Stokes has also tweeted about working on some of the research areas that they are looking support for. If you are interested, please, please, please reach out. There are so many things, so many ways that you can contribute to Ethereum ecosystem, and we are here to help you out. I know we are expecting ETH Berlin and I think it is ETH Prague, is it? Okay, let's stick with ETH Berlin because that is added over here. So we are expecting ETH Berlin in May 24 to 26. Speakers nominations are open. Hackathon participations are open. If you are interested, please check out the website and make your application in. That's all about Events Fellowship Hackathons. Anyone aware of anything that we have not included? Please feel free to add here. And I would also recommend, like, it is a good idea to share about them in our Discord channel. We do have a dedicated Discord channel for Hackathon and Fellowship. If you will share your information over there, we would get to learn more about it. And we'll be happy to add it to the meeting agenda. Moving on, the next item on the agenda is new initiative association with the different teams and discussion. The first one is ecosystem project demo. I do not see ZK on the call. Okay. I think he is working on sharing ecosystem project demo for 2 projects. Last I had a chat with him. He was having some trouble uploading those videos, but now the access issue has been resolved. I am hoping to get these videos out soon. I'd encourage people to maybe think of some new ideas. New ideas around how we can increase community support or maybe have community engagement to get people involved with Ethereum protocol development. If anyone can think of something new that Catador should consider, please reach out. We'll definitely give it a go. Moving on to general updates and discussion section. We are working in the direction of new website. New layout. That's eatcatherders.com. I am not sure if we have any update. I don't see Nandan Pai on the call, but wondering, George, if you have any update on the website side.
I have no updates on the new domain. That's mainly Pi because we plan on doing the V3 for that one, which the V3 website is really just like optimizing the back end. It wouldn't really be like visual changes for for everybody else to know about that. But yeah, in terms of status, it's pending, I guess.
Okay, yeah, I don't see him on the call. Maybe I will try to ping him and collect some updates if there are any. But I also wanted to talk about this thing. I guess I also briefly mentioned it. We would like to maybe upgrade our website. It's a good thing to know that the V3 version is mostly working on the back end, not on the front end side. But we would also like to maybe upgrade our website to make contents more easily accessible. Like we have a lot of content, but sometimes it is like in the weeds. We might want to make them easily accessible and kind of renovate our website. So if anyone has any thoughts, ideas, or may want to work on that, yeah, could reach out.
Maybe Pooja, concerning the trying to scale the accessibility of content, I can be able to also help out with that.
Sure, that would be great, Lawrence. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Moving ahead, I think it's a good thing that ZK just joined us. We just moved on with the updates on ecosystem project demo. ZK, if you would like to maybe share updates on that.
Yeah, so there's two edited, ready to go episodes. One's gonna go up this week, one's gonna go up next week. This week is with Micah and the Interceptor, and next week is with Smoothly.
Great. Yeah, and this is not related to ecosystem project demo, so I will come back at it later on. Thank you. Do we have anything planned for future meetings?
Nothing at the moment, but I was thinking of reaching out to Danny from the ePush group. So like the push protocol.
EPNS?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, do let me know if you need any more contacts because I may know a few people over there.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Cool. And I think I had a chat with a couple of projects. I'm just missing out on them, but I will ping you with the name and yeah, people whom you may reach out to.
Totally.
I met in Denver. Yeah, we could do that. Perfect. The next one is a new GitHub. So as I mentioned in the earlier meeting, now we have github.com/eatcatherders. People can check this one. I hope that GitHub is redirecting to this new repository nicely, but if anyone is having any issue, everything else is same except for the base domain. So now we have eatcatherders. And there are some stats. We can perhaps skip that. Moving on. Okay, I'm trying to find out where our meet the herders are. They not part of this one. It is there, yes. So next on ECH engineering, we already did cover ECH website. I wonder we have any updates like on the latest, the live streaming and Medium thing. Can we get it done by today, tomorrow? George, I suppose this question is for you to update on the Dencon page.
Yes, yeah, sorry. My speaker got cut off a little bit, so I wasn't able to hear the full thing.
Yeah. So did we hear that we can have those things updated?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. I think that would be good for people to even follow later on because after tomorrow, we would like to focus on the next upgrade. So this page would be marked as like, completed. So let's provide them the final YouTube link over there and the blog post that we have shared. Perfect. Did someone mention that the GitHub link needs to be updated on Cat Herders website? And if you can maybe also check about the Discord link, if they are appropriate there or not. Well, I hope this would be fixed with the V3 version, but yes, we can definitely take a look.
And it's also an easy fix for the V2, like right now. So I'm
Okay,
just like checking
great.
that myself.
Okay, cool. Cool. And I don't know, for some reason, I'm not able to see Meet the Herders on the list here, but I would like to maybe invite Harish to talk about if we have any progress on that, and do we think we are in a comfortable position to come up with more episodes, at least one a month?
Hey, Pooja. So yeah, sorry about all the delays. But yeah, I had a chat with George, and we should be recording something next week. So that should be good, like one episode per month. I have George this month, and I'm gonna try and reach out to ZK for the next one. But after that, I might need some help to reach out to some members who could not respond to me. But I think maybe we are good for this month and the next month.
And I don't want to disclose your current location, but as per our last discussion, wherever you mentioned, I think there is another resource who is available with whom I had a chat at Denver. So
Okay.
I will ping you his name, and he would be I mean, if you could coordinate with him, you could get
Sure.
another person to interview, and we can have
Yeah,
him.
that'd be awesome. Yeah, that'd be awesome if you send me the details offline, and I can follow up on them.
Okay, perfect. So we have 3 lined up here. Good. We
Thanks.
hope
Yeah.
to see more episodes coming up. Very well. So that is done. We are good with that. Okay, on ECH operations on YouTube Shorts, I think I have a short ready of Danny talking about P-Penny, which I will. I hope we can share it by tomorrow, if not today. Cool. So moving on to the next section, which is EIPS Insight. I'm just quickly taking a look at the EIPSinsight.com. According to this, we have received only one final proposal, which is ERC 7092, reaching to the final. Congratulations to the author. And we have one draft proposal. It's a networking proposal on EIP side. We have 5 ERC and 2 proposals moved in review. Good, we don't have anything in last call for final community feedback. Please check out the list of proposals, EIP, ERC, and RIPs at eipsinsight.com. Moving ahead, on P-Penny, I do not have anything lined up this week after the Tencon upgrade. I'm hoping to reach out to more authors to get some talks lined up. But if people have suggestions on what EIP/ERC they are interested in learning about, please let us know, and we'll try to reach out to author to get that talk available. On ECH funding, I suppose we should be applying for Octant Epoch 3. I think that is there on my to-dos for today. ZK, I might want to connect with you later today. I think the deadline is nearby, and we might have to arrange some community call. What are people's thought on like having general Twitter spaces or community call or something like that, that if we can arrange?
I think something like that would be good. I think last time when Octant had done one for us, it resulted in quite a few people who, were interested from their community joining. So I think any engagement we can get with their community is always going to be good.
So I had a chat with the representative over there, and they said that instead of them inviting for Twitter Spaces, it has to be other way around. Could we arrange something for them? And that has to be done sooner, because I think this is the week when they are accepting application and having talks. I'm hoping to have their meeting joined up this Thursday. They have Discord community call, which we can join this Thursday. Otherwise, we might want to organize something of our own and invite them.
I think Twitter Spaces is fairly simple. If you want, I can do the hosting and you can do the talking, or whatever you'd like. I think it's a good idea.
Okay. Yeah, let's connect later today and figure out how to do that, because we would want to get this thing, going, so we can maintain our, presence in the Octans community as well. That's where we are going to get support.
Yeah. I think this time around it's supposed to be more people and probably less of a matching, but still, I mean, it's good to be included.
Yeah, it's worth to be in the list of, PGF
Definitely.
grantees. Yeah,
Yeah.
we would like to have that. Although the last grant rewards were lesser than the first one, but it was an honor to be a part of that list, and I would like to continue doing that if possible. Cool. All right, moving ahead. I am not aware of any GIVAT or CLR grants ongoing. If someone gets any idea, please share with us. But I wanted to check on the Gitcoin grants. I don't know, Alan, last you submitted on the Gitcoin grant round. Did you receive any notification of like withdrawing funds or something like that, where we are on that? Because I received an email suggesting that their process are going to be changed, and the time period to collect any fundings from Gitcoin round is up till June this year. Yeah. I may have to check, but yes.
Let me check. I didn't follow up on that.
Yeah, you can perhaps take a look at it if we do have anything on the wallet there or grant that we would like to withdraw. Please, we can work on that together. Yeah.
Sure.
Very well. That's all on the funding side. On meeting notes, I would encourage this thing to be a little bit more strict. Meeting notes are bounty-based tasks. We want the bounty should be claimed within the time period. And for that, it is very important to submit the notes on time. The deadline to submit these notes are 72 hours. And we would like to make sure that people are following it and we are making the submission on time. Every meeting happens in the interval of 2 weeks. So check that out. Please be sure that you do have bandwidth to work on notes, and then only you pick up the notes. Otherwise, you can simply pass it on to another available contributor. We want this to be an opportunity for everyone to contribute. Pass it on if you aren't available. And anyone who may have missed their funding request so far, please make sure to add their funding request by the end of this week, so we can clear them all out by early next week. Okay, I don't think we have meeting notes from the last meeting, but I hope we get it soon.
It is there actually, 126. I had missed it also. I shared with you.
Oh, it's been added. I'm sorry, I could not see it before the meeting started, so it's new. Okay, let me quickly, yep. That's great. Summary section is also included. Very well. Let me quickly take a look. Yeah, we don't have any updates on ECH website, which was supposed to be ready in 2 weeks. Meet the hurdles. we already discussed and learn to earn is back. So everything is all good. I think we have covered every action item from the earlier meeting. Thank you for sending it in. And yeah, I think we have included everything for today's agenda. Anything else people would like to bring up or maybe share with the community? Okay, I see a comment here in the chat, which is about the page. My understanding is they mentioned about a GitHub page, sorry, GitHub link not working properly on a website, but if it is, cool, we have done it. We would hope for anybody else to maybe create an issue if there are any open issues around some link not working. Yeah, we can pick it up from there.
Yeah, I only did like a quick scan, so I'll check the other pages, see if maybe there's like inconsistency. But like based on like a quick scan, the GitHub link worked. So
Cool.
also
Good.
one other thing is that I made a PR on the website to update the Dencon page. So I forgot to mention that earlier.
Okay. Thank you for doing that. I'm assuming that this will contain the latest changes, like including Medium and the YouTube link. Is it the one?
Not the YouTube link, forgot about that one, but the Medium post, yes.
Okay, perfect. Let me go ahead and merge this. So at least we have, because the Medium post itself contains the YouTube link. So even if it is not handy, it is there in the post. We hope to have it there. Thank you for the PR, and I suppose this is merged now. Anything else anyone would like to quickly bring up? All right. Well, thank you everyone for joining us here on the call. And I look forward to see you in 2 weeks. If there is anything people would like to discuss in the upcoming meeting, you can always drop a note on the agenda for the next meeting or bring it up in the contributors channel. We'll try to discuss it here. We should just try to make sure that we have all things covered, and if there are any new ideas, we can also address them. Thank you everyone for joining us here again. Have a great rest of the day.